Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working in Google Chrome. Hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so I had this problem today that I resolved. So just in Google Chrome my sound wasn't working. So if I click on any video, you can see here the sound's not playing at all. So check the obvious things, put the sound up and down, make sure it's not muted. As we can see here, the sound is turned up high. It's also possible to mute the tab or site from the top here. So as we can see now, it is muted, so I'm going to unmute it. Sound's not working, sound's not turned up. Make sure that the sound is actually turned up on your machine. Another test that you can do is if you go to Internet Explorer, click on a video. As you can hear there, the sound is working on there. So what we need to do to fix this, if you click on the start menu, type in sound space mixer and then left click on this sound mixer options, and we can see here that the Google Chrome application actually has a volume of 0. So we can see that this is the issue. So what we could do is you can move that to the right, put it 100%, or you can click on reset. And there we go. Sound has now been fixed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.